Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a copyright removal request. First, understand that this process is for when someone uses your original creative work without permission. You need to be the actual copyright owner or have legal authorization to act on their behalf. Before you begin, make sure to collect all necessary proof of your ownership and clearly identify where the infringing material is located online. This preparation is crucial for a successful submission. Now, let's prepare your request. Start by pinpointing the exact platform where your copyrighted content is being used without permission. Most major platforms, like YouTube or Instagram, have a specific copyright infringement policy or an online form designed for these submissions. Make sure to find and use their official process. You'll need to provide precise links, or URLs, to both your original work and the content that is infringing on your rights. When submitting your claim, fill out the platform's copyright removal form with great care and attention to detail. It's essential to be thorough and accurate in every section. You will typically need to include a sworn statement, often called a good faith belief statement, confirming that you genuinely believe the content infringes your copyright. Also, be aware that the party who posted the content might submit a counter notification, which could prolong the process. After submission, it's important to regularly check the status of your copyright removal request. Platforms often provide updates or may require further information from you, so be ready to respond quickly. The process can take some time, but consistent follow-up helps ensure a smoother resolution. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Your patience and diligence are key to successfully resolving the infringement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.